Hello, thank you so much for watching this mic. Oh, alright, thank you. Alright, so today then, we're going to answer a question as like, why those people cannot achieve their goals? Why? Why some others got theirs but yours is not? There is two problems that could harm them that they cannot get it. The first is lack of knowledge. If you are lack of knowledge, it is hard for you to get what you want. So what's the solution? Find knowledge. It is. And the second, clarity. Clarity is a power. If you know what you want, of course you can have it. If you know what you need, you will see the path where you're going to have it. That's it. So knowledge and clarity. That two things could help you to get your goals. I can assure you, you can get a goal if you clarity with what you need exactly, and with little knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, find it. Thank you so much for watching this. If you see that it could empower you, that video, so give thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to our friends. And don't hesitate to click notification bell so that you will see every new video in this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.